Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Recife, Brazil, and I'm at the Brennand Museum. Let me show you what we're looking at. So just to make sure I get it right, Brennand, Lourdes Brennand, and it is, and I think it's his private area, but look what you get. I mean, you get the statue of David and the Rodin and the pictures, and the grounds are just fantastic, amazing. And so he has all these copies of art and things and just incredible stuff. Wow. Incredible. And don't walk on the grass. I've seen the police yell at people a couple of times already, but let me just film this. There's a gate out front as well. Amazing. And you can see the castle gate out there, and then it's got the lake out front here as well. Wow, let's go inside and see what we get. And it's huge. So there's this building, there's this building, there's that building, and then there's more buildings down there. And I think all these works are just copies. Really good copies. That one of David is just amazing. I've seen David 20 times, and it's amazing. Wow. And I'm going to try to go through this pretty quickly, just because, I mean, there's a lot to see here, and I just want to give you an idea so that you know this is certainly someplace you want to get to. Because it's pretty amazing. And look at the building itself. It's incredible. And there's like art on every corner. Wow. That's amazing too. Oh, and the air conditioner vents up on top. Wow. That's pretty amazing. Well, let me get over to one of the other buildings. And let me finish this last one here. And we'll go see the other one and see what we see. Cool. I'll be back. Okay, I'm done in that building. And so now I'm headed over to another building right next door to it. And the grounds are just, look at the grounds here. Look at all the statues back there and all the, yeah, amazing. And the castle behind this one, and wow, staggering. Wow. And look at the front of this building. Wow. It's like a castle. Huh. Wow. Wow, there's a dresser for you. I guess that would hold my socks and underwear. Wow. Wow, and a water feature inside. I think that's all bathrooms back there. Wow. That's really a nice picture right there. I'll be back. Okay. If you go this way outside, there's more statues and more things. Wow. Wow, look at the grounds up on the hill there. Hmm. Go ahead.
The entry is just like that way. To go to the room in the back, you have to go.
All right. Some people just explained to me that
Most of places you can make photos with that.
oh, I know.
So here you can. It's very open, I think.
Wow. Oh, it's huge. It goes all the way back in here too. I didn't even see this part. Wow, wow. Amazing. That's incredible. Wow, wow, wow. 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 Look at all the cups. This is gorgeous too. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow, that is crazy. Look at the detail. And there's not one, there's three. Wow. I'm gonna look over on this side more. I will be right back. So this is an amazing wood sculpture. It's pretty amazing, huh? But watch. Look at the mirror. You see how it's a guy on the other side? She's got ladies' clothes on. And he has guy clothes on. Amazing. Okay, I'm outside now, and there's just statues on top of statues on top of statues, and the grounds have statues, and the gazebo. Oh, and the kid with the frog. Is that this one? Nope. Wow, beautiful. just keeps on going. Wow. Some little man's not happy. That's pretty amazing. Huh. Wow. I think this is not the end. Okay, I'll be back. There is certainly a lot to this museum, so certainly worth coming and seeing for sure. Anyway, that's going to be the end of the video right here, and I think this is about the end of it. But I'm sure I'm missing stuff. I think there's a biblioteca, which means like a book area upstairs, and there's like 3 or 4 flights upstairs. But anyway, I have a boat to catch too. Okay, everybody, that's it. Thanks for coming along. Bye.